Hello, today I will teach this animation in Fusion page with 3D node. First, you should to drag and drop image plane 3D and transform 3D and copy and paste with this paste instance, or you can also click Ctrl Shift plus V. Then connect all the image is in a description. You can also download from there. Create a merge 3D. Connect all the node to merge 3D. Now you see this in a 3D. Now I need alpha divide node. Alpha divide node. You see this. Add. I will rename to con means control. In inspector you see this name. In here you can write and a control, and here is a control panel. I will giving control, and default will be 4 because I have a 4 image. If you have a 5, 6, 7, you can create like that. Range default will be 1 and 2, 10. Allowed will be 1 to unlimited, and slider control. Okay, then user, you see this, but I forgot to click this integer. Then okay, then after in second transform, right click the instance group, third the instance group, fourth the instance group. If you have 5, 6, then same process. You can click on and pin into a inspector. Then second transform, right click in a Y rotation, then right 360 divided by control into 1. Then after copy this expression, then third same process will be same process, and 1 you see this, here is 1, we should to change to 2, then here also will be changed to 3. Oh sorry, we are not 3 only. If you have 4, more than 4 transform, then write 4. If you have 6 transform, then up to 5. Okay, now select this image plane 3D and scale it up to here, and I have a 4 image. I see 4. If you have a 3 image, you can see 3. If you have 2 images, you can see only 2. But here is overlapping because of I connected this to node also, no, that's why I remove this to node automatically. No issue with two images. If I connect to these two, then overlapping because of I have a 4 image. If I write 4, then no overlapping, all is fine. And if you also want to rotate, then transform 3D. Now rotate, all is working fine. If you love this video, then please subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching.